So, good afternoon friends. Today I am going to explain you how to register yourself for National Skills Registration. So for this go to Google Chrome, type National Skills Registration and enter it. Now as you can see here, welcome to National Skills Registry. Click on register. Okay, so this is the welcome page of National Skills Registry. This is done for all the IT people who work in IT industry. So there is a it is a two-step process. First of all, we will have to create a profile on NSR website, and then we have to give our fingerprints in the POS, that is the point of service office. So if you read over here, you will be able to understand what all things you have to do. So I will do that and show it to you. I agree the terms, submit. Okay, as you can see here, there are three choices: my present employer, my future employer, registering on my own. If suppose you are working in a company and they asked you to register it, then select my present employer. Otherwise, if in many companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, they ask us to apply for NSR registration, so register as my future employer. Otherwise, registering on my own, you can do it. So I will select as any company, in which company you are working, Tata Consultancy Service. If you have the ID, you can give the ID to them also. I will give mine. Okay. So the next is the name, last name, mail. Then you give your birth, birth date, 1995. Mother's name, Poonam. Father's name, Ramesh. Okay. So first name, I'm not married. Nationality, Indian. Okay. So you have to give your address over here. All these things are necessary. Number 4, Ganesh apartment, Lane, Pune Link Road, area, Chembur city, Thane. Select state. You can give your. You have to give your state. India zip code 421306. Okay, fine. The next is immediate previous address. Did you stay at your present address for less than? So if it is S, then you have to give the address in detail. Next is the permanent address. If you are from other place other than Mumbai or anything, you have to give over here. So next is the personal detail. I will give. Okay, sorry, it is IST they are asking. It's 91. Email address. I will give mine. The very simple process, as you can see. Okay, next is the passport number and place of issue. If you have passport, then fill those things. It will be necessary later on. If you don't have, you don't give it. But it is necessary for NSI. If you work for a IT firm, it will be necessary. So if you have, you can put it here. Authentication, childhood hero. Okay, I will give as Dhoni or captain. Login ID. They are asking for a login ID. I will give Suresh at. Okay, login password. So there are two passwords. One is the login one and one is the transaction one. Both the passwords should not be same. But for transaction, if you want to update it later, the transaction password should be used. Okay. Fine. Make sure that both the passwords should not be same. Save and continue. Okay. First link of permanent address is okay. If your the address is same, you have to select yes. Save and continue. Okay. Please enter the SD code. Okay, they are asking the SD code. Okay, it is 914 India. Phone number I will give mine 8976834567. Okay, then I will save and continue. Please. Okay, the password should contain at least one uppercase. So I will give another password. Okay, I will click on save and continue. So it's taking time. Okay. So the after this process, go here. They will generate a card. It will be around 472 rupees. And next thing is like there are many POS across India. So I showed you the first process is to fill the form. The second process is to give our fingerprint anywhere. For example, I stay in Mumbai. I will be going to this address and give my fingerprint, and I will get my national skills registration e-card online. So this is a very simple process which you can do. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.